So when it comes to getting clear, first you need to get quiet. Circling back. If you are not sure where you are going in life or feel like you are not going anywhere, think back to your childhood when you played that hide and seek game and you used to hide yourself in that wardrobe, a bedroom which is full of clothes, a closet. Inside that dark closet, while you waited for one of your friends or siblings to discover you, you had to be quiet and not make a sound. Your eyes and ears adjusted to your surroundings. The darkness, the stillness, the silence, all that has left you to just get completely into that imaginatory world in your own thoughts, where you are coming across various ideas to remember what happened in that wardrobe, in that closet. You were absolutely quiet because you were worried somebody will catch you, and your senses were literally super active. Yeah, I want all of you to close your eyes and imagine this situation. Imagine that you are playing that game of hide and seek where you are supposed to stay in that quiet zone. Otherwise, you will be caught. Your siblings, your friends in that childhood, those days where we were like always enjoying every moment. That was actually a significant zone. We were not worried about the success during the childhood. We were worried about significance, happiness. How do we get there? How do we feel it? How do we stay quiet in that zone? You started feeling that I have no time left for myself, for my family, to do so much in a day. I want you to cut that clutter out. I want really you to spend at least 30 minutes every day morning to figure out who you are, what is your identity, what is your big why, what is your passion, what drives you. If in this life I'm able to do something for the community, for the society, for the family, for the things which have triggered me in the past many a times, reach out, extend yourself, have that warmth, have that empathy, have that emotions triggering in right now, to see, to visualize that one big goal, one end goal which you would like to achieve. And your 2024, your 2025, your 2026 is automatically gonna give you the direction. This is what I want to achieve. If I have to achieve this, if my big why is clear, if my end goal is clear, these small enough things won't matter. How will be automatically getting figured out? The direction, the road, the purpose which I want to achieve will be automatically getting figured out. Go deep and ask yourself, go back to those memories when you used to play as a child, as a kid, as a naughty kid. Somebody said that I have a naughty kid. Now I want you to act like a naughty kid and think about it. That whenever this situation came in, whenever I was in my quiet zone, whenever I was within me, whenever I was what were those moments when I was most happy? What were those moments which made me think, feel? Some of you loved playing cricket. Some of you loved playing some of the other games which used to give you a lot of happiness, where you felt that I am a different soul altogether. I'm super confident in what I do because this is who I am. This is what drives me. This is what I'm passionate about. This is what I want to achieve in this life. Look inside. Go deep. Nothing to worry. No fear at all. You have it in you. You can do something magical. You can do something which many of the big influencers, many of the great family members, many of the great leaders have built as a movement, as a community. Yes, we all have it in us. If we cut that clutter out, if we get to a zone which is not busy, which is productive, wherein I'm reflecting inside, I'm asking this question repeatedly to myself: why am I doing this? What is the purpose? What is the purpose? Who all will get happy in this moment along with me? Who all will be taken care of in this process? It's a beautiful journey. It's full of experiences. It's full of experiences. You can open your eyes whenever you feel like. When you are calm, when you are relaxed, when you are thinking, when you are using your brain in that sense, you will come across some of the moments. Now, keeping that end goal in mind, some of you who have figured out, start feeling this. Some of you who have not figured out the end goal, still feel it, because that might actually help you to get closer to the end goal. But for those people who've even felt that this could be my end goal, this could be my big why, this is what is driving me, this is what I want to do, achieve in my life, this could be my life goal, this could be my mission, make sure you attach that and fill it up. First one is actually right career. If let's say you have a goal of hitting a 2x salary, getting to a VP position, or becoming a CEO, then answer why. For each and every goal, you need to answer why. And not only once, at least 3 to 4 times. If it is possible, go to that fifth why as well. So that, the goal which we set, we are clear that why is this goal? Why is this important to me? Why is this gonna be, we just kind of do the goal setting in a way where we just write down these goals, and at the end of the year, we realize we have not even achieved one of them, or we achieved only 1 or 2 out of the 10 goals we have kept. First of all, we are not even clear on what areas of life we need to have the goals. So because we are into the career and we want to develop our career, so I want all of you to have the goal clarity, and against each and every goal, if it's 2x, maybe we can try one only. 2x, VP, director, CEO, if you have that goal in 2024, now we are talking about 2024, and then in front of that, why do I want to become a CEO? Because I want to earn more money, I want to earn respect, I want to make more fame. Some of you get that fancy thing also. How will you manage the momentum? And the next step, the last step, is linked to it. Secure support. From who all you would secure the support? From your family, from your accountability partner, from your mentor. If you can write down their names, it will be very, very clear and specific that I need to achieve this goal with the help of all these people. You need to secure support from some of the people. It's not understand when to start, stop, quit, and start again. Now, moving on to the next one, ladies and gentlemen, which is personal. So, the personal goal is your passion. What makes you happy? What, as a passion, you would like to pursue given a chance and you are told that money is no more a problem, no more a challenge? Like for example, in 2024, I have one goal: I need to learn dance. I was really super passionate about this, but I thought that why can't I do it now? I can have somebody come and teach me, and in fact, my kids will have a good time, right? Together as a family, somebody coming and teaching dance, and we're dancing together. At that moment, and when you're playing a sport also, you are away from all the worries. I can tell you that when I play a sport, maybe, yesterday only I was playing carom with my daughter, and I figured out that there was nothing which was hanging in and around me. Everything was clear. Everything was clear. I was just focused on the game. I just wanted to win that. I just wanted to take that queen. Yeah, so that's how it is. When your excitement and energy is building on certain things, that's actually again a way of doing a quality me time. So, just to actually firm it up, what we have done today in a summarized way, so that you are able to understand this in the right direction, and from here onwards, 2024 into something which is gonna help you get more and more clarity. So, the first basic ground rule is to get quiet every day into the morning, 30 minutes. Absolutely. And what are you gonna do in that 30 minutes window? Can you also articulate and tell me that as well? What are you going to do in that 30 minutes? Self-reflection. On what? Self-reflection starts from where? Life goal. And then after the life goal, you need to go into your yearly goals. Are they in the sync? And once you are done with your yearly goals, what we have done in the exercise today in the 5 areas, last but not the least, how are you driving that on daily basis? The actions you have noted down in front of them, your daily basis. Could be split into weekly, monthly, quarterly. That's up to you. I leave it up to you. But I can tell you, if you follow this process, life, yearly, and then daily, you are bang on.